Yes, and we're doing the house. Can't believe I can see inside the house. God damn. New house, not bad. Very pretty damn thing. It's just so not bad at all. Oh. Why? Just asking.
Board is too many boards.
Yeah.
It's a small thick metal.
Yes.
Plywood is better. You don't have a gap.
Yeah.
Nobody's using the 1x6 anymore, only for repair.
That's what my neighbor was telling me.
Mm-hmm.
He does construction
Every
too.
new construction are using
Yeah.
plywood.
You guys done the back already?
The back here. I gotta keep running a little bit. You're gonna be here later.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be here.
Okay. Hey. I told you I was gonna get it done. Huh? Yeah. I told you. And I just right on time. Right on time. I just had the leak and last day, 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And that new day there was a leak there.
Oh, yeah.
And because I always, whenever it rains, I'm keep looking around.
Well, I know I had a leak by my chimney, and I said I can't. How you doing?
Good.
All right. This is great.
How you doing? All good?
All right. Yeah. Very nice. I'm so glad.
What's it called?
No, this is for something. Another coffee.
So I'll leave you guys. Go.
Nice to
All right.
see you again. Have a good day. Now the color is
That's the one I sent to you, right? Yeah.
this is the area you see.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's the way I see it, yeah. Just in time, man. Yes, 2 days ago, I saw that leak right in that corner there. And I said, oh boy, I'm glad you're coming on Saturday.
Yeah.
But it was worse on this side than the other side, though. Yep.
I'll see you in a little while.
All right, man, no problem.
Adiviname cómo le dio la zona a mi mamá cuando yo nací. This side is done already. Yeah. 1 minute, a big hole. The next minute, everything's over. Now this is what the roof look like after it's done. As you can tell, the wood is completed. I don't know if I have a picture of the old one. Alright, this part is completed. That's the back. Okay, well done. This one cost $9,400. I had the contractor do it for me. I think this part, it just changed the part on top of it. Guys did a good job. This is the roof of the garage. Okay. There's a little tree there, I have to cut it. The garage is done. The garage didn't have any problem, but if you're doing the roof and the house, you might as well do the garage. So they're both at the same age. So I got two brand new roofs, good for 30 years. I'm gonna show you the other side. Now this is the other side of the garage. It's well done, completed. Okay, this is completed. This is the final product of the roof. That's the front of the house. It's completed. Behind that tree there was a big hole. They just fixed it. On the previous video, on the same video, you can see the front there. This is the roof, completely done. So I'm gonna have a contractor to redo the siding. This is a short video, as I told you guys. This is a short video. Tells you how the roof. It was pretty bad before. Now it's all clean. This is good for 30 years.